In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscription pop-up in Wix Studio. This quick guide has been designed to help you efficiently create and integrate an engaging subscription form into your Wix site. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to My Apps on the Elfsight dashboard. This is your central hub for managing different widgets that you might want to add to your websites. Once you're there, look for the catalog. The catalog is essentially where you'll find a variety of widgets available for use, tailored to different needs. Now, in the search bar of the catalog, type in sub. This short form is commonly used to quickly locate subscription-related widgets. Once you enter this keyword, a range of subscription forms will be displayed. Look through these options and click on the subscription form option. This step will direct you to the section where you can choose a specific template for your subscription form. Select a template that best fits the look and feel of your website. Templates are pre-designed styles that can save you time and offer a professional appearance with minimal effort. After you've made your selection, click on Continue with this template, which confirms your choice and takes you to a customization area. In this section, if you feel the need to tweak the design, you can edit the form to align better with your brand's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the design, consider adding any additional fields you might need by clicking on Add Field. This could be helpful if you wish to gather more user information beyond the basics. Next, focus on editing other elements such as the header, submit button, footer, and success message. These elements ensure that your pop-up not only captures attention, but also provides a seamless user experience, guiding users smoothly from input to confirmation. When you're ready, click on Publish to make your subscription pop up live. Elfsight offers different pricing tiers, and if you're just getting started or want to try it out, opt for the free version. Click on Select to confirm your choice. Now it's time to integrate this form into your Wix site. Click on Copy Code to capture the widget's code. Next, head over to your Wix Studio dashboard. This is where you'll begin the embedding process. In Wix Studio, locate the plus icon, typically used to add new elements to your page. Click on Embed and Social, followed by Embed Code to prepare your page for the new addition. Then click on Enter Code and paste in the code you copied earlier. Finally, click on Update to save your changes. Your subscription pop-up is now live and integrated into your Wix website, ready to capture new leads and engage your audience effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a subscription pop-up in Wix Studio. Follow these steps and you'll have a functional and visually appealing form in no time. Thanks for watching.